Hello everyone and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. My name is Ada. On this channel, I share simple tech tutorials for beginners using Android phone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook theme to dark mode. Okay, so if you've been wanting to change your Facebook theme or background to dark mode, this video is for you. All right, so by default, Facebook background is usually on the light theme. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Facebook app. You tap on the app. Once the app opens, you go to these three lines here. You tap on it. Once it opens, you go down to settings and privacy. You tap. Next, you go to dark mode. You tap. So for you to turn on the dark mode, you're going to tap on on. All right, so guys, our theme or our Facebook background is now on dark mode. As you guys can see, we are now using Facebook on dark mode. All right, guys, so this is how you can turn your Facebook background or the theme to dark mode. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.